Have you ever opened your washing machine and been hit with a musty, sour, or even rotten smell? If your washer stinks, you're not alone. Many homeowners think their machine is broken, when the real problem is simply odor buildup. Today, we're covering the 7 most common causes of washer odors and what you can do to keep your washing machine smelling fresh and clean. Let's get started. Cause number 1. Mold and mildew in the door gasket. If you have a front-load washer, one of the biggest odor culprits is the rubber door gasket. Water, lint, soap residue, and dirt can get trapped inside the folds of the gasket. Over time, mold and mildew begin to grow, creating that unpleasant, musty smell. To prevent this, wipe the gasket dry after each load and check inside the folds regularly. Cause number 2. Too much detergent. Many people think more detergent equals cleaner clothes. Unfortunately, that's not true. Using too much detergent creates excess soap residue that sticks to the inside of the washer. This residue becomes a breeding ground for bacteria and mold. Always follow the detergent manufacturer's recommendations and use high-efficiency detergent if your machine requires it. Cause number 3. Leaving wet clothes inside. Life gets busy, and sometimes laundry sits in the washer longer than it should. But wet clothes left in the machine for hours or days create the perfect environment for mildew growth. Try to move clothes to the dryer as soon as the cycle finishes. Cause number 4. Dirty drain pump filter. Many modern washers have a drain pump filter that catches lint, hair, coins, and other debris. Over time, this trapped debris can begin to smell terrible. Check your owner's manual to see if your washer has a cleanable filter and clean it periodically. Cause number 5. Standing water in the washer. Water should drain completely after each cycle. If water remains in the drum or bottom of the machine, bacteria and mold can grow quickly. This can happen because of drain restrictions, clogged hoses, or pump issues. If you consistently notice standing water, it may be time for a professional inspection. Cause number 6. Not running cleaning cycles. Your washer cleans clothes, but the washer itself also needs cleaning. Over time, detergent residue, minerals, dirt, and bacteria build up inside the machine. Running a washer cleaning cycle or using a washer cleaner monthly can help eliminate odor-causing buildup. Cause number 7. Poor ventilation. Many homeowners close the washer door immediately after finishing a load. When moisture gets trapped inside, mold and mildew thrive. Leaving the door slightly open between loads allows air circulation and helps the interior dry out. Conclusion: if your washer smells bad, the good news is that most odor problems can be fixed without replacing the machine. Check the gasket, use the right amount of detergent, remove clothes promptly, clean the filter. Make sure water drains properly, run cleaning cycles regularly, and allow the washer to air out between loads. A few simple habits can keep your washer smelling fresh and help it last longer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more appliance care and repair tips. And let us know in the comments, which of these washer odor causes surprised you the most?